Flying drones out of visual range is like flying a manned aircraft in IFR. The pilot must be able to rely on the displays and monitor the autopilot safely. Situation awareness must be maintained at all times to ensure safe operation. We at AlphaLink Engineering want to make unmanned aviation as safe as manned aviation. With our ground station, we make it possible to control the drone similar to conventional aircraft. We enable an instrument-driven flight by means of a primary flight display, which shows the pilot the most important flight data, and a navigation display, which helps the pilot to keep his orientation and protects him from possible dangers. The ground station can also be used to operate the autopilot, which the pilot monitors via the instruments. With our head-up display, a visual flight is also possible. Here, the pilot is provided with a first-person view similar to a conventional aircraft, and the most important flight data is superimposed on this video. Especially for flight that requires flexible flight guidance, for example in unfamiliar terrains, the system helps to fly over target areas precisely in order to take photos or collect data. The haptic design of the ground station is very similar to those of conventional aircraft, so pilots can quickly find their way around. Due to the connections options, conventional joysticks can be connected to the ground station and the pilot flies the system using these controls. This allows especially easy flying for the fixed-wing aircraft. With AlphaLink Engineering's control laws for manual flight control, the flight characteristics of drone can be improved so that they are easy to fly and can therefore be used by anyone. With the AlphaLink ground station, the safe operation of drones can be guaranteed and the risk of air accident due to insufficient situation awareness is reduced. For more information, get in touch or visit alphalink.aero.